All right, what's up, everyone? This is Dre Trades, and today we're going to do a video on Tesla because Tesla is absolutely on fire today. So we're going to do a quick technical analysis, and we're going to look at the daily, the weekly, the monthly. I'm going to give you what I think is going to happen. But first, I want to talk about the markets, and I want to ask you to subscribe. Please subscribe to this channel. Like the video. You know what to do. You know what to do to your favorite YouTubers. And I'm going to become your favorite YouTuber. All right, so look. Dow's up 12, NASDAQ up 96, almost up a full percentage point, and the S&P is up 11, right? But look at the trading action. I pointed it out yesterday, how the Dow was in positive territory, and then the kind of market just crapped out, and the NASDAQ was kind of crapped out with it, but we all opened up low. You can see how the Dow just didn't want to get into positive territory, just now starting to do so. But you look at the NASDAQ, ever since it opened, straight up. Right? Straight up. I like that. Same with the S&P. A little struggle, but then straight up. So let's look at the heat map. And what I like about this heat map is the big tech is kind of coming back. It's the big market cap tech stocks that's, they've been down and out for a couple of weeks, and it looks like they might be trying to give you some action. All right, so I just wanted to talk about that. It's Thursday. It's November 19th. It's 3/24. Now let's get down to business. Let's talk about Tesla. This juggernaut of a stock, man. All right, so what? A couple of days ago, they said they was going to include them in the S&P 500, and since then, it was off to the races. I actually thought Tesla might, if we didn't get that announcement, I thought they might even break down below this ascending wedge, right? It's like a rising wedge, and generally it goes to the upside. But I didn't like the price action that was going on in this wedge. I gotta admit, I'm like, oh man, this is looking kind of weak. Look how it was just hanging. Look how the price was just hanging on the bottom side of the wedge. So I just wasn't feeling that. And look at the volume. Boom. Gonna be included in the S&P 500. Off to the moon. It's Tesla again, right? Tesla is Tesla again. So there is the daily chart. Now I want to pull up the weekly because this is when you're really going to see what's happening here. You can see this consolidation. How about I get rid of all these lines, kind of clear it up a little bit, and just redraw it, right? We already know it's an ascending wedge, and let's go ahead and draw this consolidation area right here. I kind of like it right about there, right? And you can easily see the breakout. That's why I'm drawing a rectangle, right? I want you to see the breakout. I want to define it. And there it is. Boom. What can you say? Along with volume, right? We still have tomorrow to finish this weekly candle. But you saw the daily action. Let me pull up the daily again and just kind of zoom in right here. Look at that volume coming into Tesla. All right, so get back to the weekly. Zoom in a little bit. We are about to break the all-time high, and it's funny because I'm looking at this chart, and the all-time high was actually 502.49, and it looks like we broke that today. We went as high as 508.61, and you can see it's giving it back. Basically, what I'm getting at is 500. Let me go back to the daily, see what's happening. Yeah, look at that. 500 is the resistance. I'm going to call it 500 just because it's a nice round fat number, but it's actually 508. It's struggling here with the double top action going on. I actually think I think we're going to blow through, all right? And you're going to see why we're going to blow through on this next chart. Now, this is the best chart where it doesn't even matter if you never looked at a chart before. You're going to know exactly what this stock is going to do. And I'm going to pull up the monthly stock chart in Tesla. The monthly stock chart in Tesla. Let me zoom in. Let me go ahead and clear all these lines. And you can see how beautiful this looks. It almost looks like a 3-bar chart, but it's a 4-bar. This pattern is so powerful. All right. So big volume up, big body candle. Sorry, not volume. Big body candle. You're right. A little retracement, maybe a 70 something retracement, a little over the 61.8. Coming right back up. Now it's challenging the all-time high, and almost all the time we blow through this. Almost all the time, this pattern blows through. Now, what could happen? You can have a fake breakout, a false breakout. I don't think that's going to happen because this stock is getting ready to be included in S&P 500 and a lot of funds have to buy it. So I don't think we're going to have a false breakout. I think we're going to break out for real. Now, the only thing I don't like about this chart is it's just that it's getting overextended, right? I mean, this area down here, you know, we're coming away, we're pulling away from these moving averages. And if you follow me, you follow what I do, I don't like that. I don't like when it just runs away from the moving averages, all right? But it is what it is. That's been the whole year with stocks. We've just been straight up, right? You heard Amazon, Roku, Tesla, I'm talking about Tesla, Nvidia, AMD. The story, it just goes on and on. You name a tech stock, a hot one, and it's going straight up and holding for the most part. Some came down, but some has not. And Tesla came down just a little bit. Let's measure this actual down from the top to the bottom here. Oh, that was actually a 34% correction. It was actually in a bear market for a little bit right there. And now we're right back up 2 months later, challenging the all-time high. That price action is bullish. Okay, so that's it with the Tesla. I showed you the daily, the weekly, and the monthly. And each time I expanded to the new time frame, it looks more bullish than the previous time frame. Now, I think this chart, the monthly, of course, is more bullish. And what does that mean? I think that means that it can go a lot higher, right? It's a better chart. It's a long time frame chart. So a lot higher, right? And it's not going to happen tomorrow. I gotta emphasize that. Anything could happen in the stock market. But this is a monthly chart. It took months, 30 days to draw one of these candles, okay? So I'm not saying it's going to happen tomorrow, but it's going to happen, in my opinion. I have to append that. In my opinion, it's going to happen. Now, how am I playing it? Oh, man. Calls are so expensive in the stock. I wish... It's expensive to play here. You can see I got some fake positions on. I'm trying to price. I actually got some, 42 days out, the 31 Decembers. And I sold a put spread. I sold the 445 and bought the 435 on that expiration week. And 29 days out. See what I got going on here. I think this is the small call spread. No, I sold another small put spread, small 445 to 440. So I would love to buy just calls on this, but look at the price. This is 30 days out. If you want to buy the 500 right where it is right now, that's going to cost you $4,000, right? $4,200 to buy that call. Yeah, that's a lot of money. You could do a call spread. You could sell something way out here. If I were to do that, that's the way I would go, right? I can't. If you were to buy this call and this stock go the other way, you're going to get burnt pretty bad. All right, you're going to get burnt pretty bad. All right, so anyway, I hope you guys make a lot of money. I think this is a beautiful monthly chart. It's a beautiful monthly chart. It's a beautiful weekly chart. Beautiful. Tomorrow's if it ended right here, if today was Friday, beautiful. But the breakout did not happen yet. So we have to keep that in mind. You saw what happened. It kind of took out the high, came right in, right? It's trading now at 498. So it did not happen yet. I'm premature, but I do believe we break out, right? The daily, I like. I just think it's too fast. And we got a gap here, all right? I don't know when we're going to gap fill, but so the daily is kind of, but look at the volume, right? You got to love the volume in this daily chart. You want volume. You want that volume on a breakout, right? So it's telling me that this weekly, it's going to happen. Look at the volume spike right there, right? Man. And the month is still going on. It's only November 19th. So I expect this to be a nice high volume candle. All right, so there it is, man. There's my analysis on Tesla. Tell me if you're trading Tesla. Tell me what you're doing with Tesla. Tell me if you like this video. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe yet? Did I make you my favorite YouTuber? Wait a minute. Did I make you your favorite YouTuber? There we go. And if you like and subscribe, let me know in the comments below. And I'm on Twitter as Instagram. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Dre Trades, and right here, Dre Trades 2 on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Hope you make a lot of money in this stock. And remember, I gotta put this disclaimer out there. I'm a nobody, all right? I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. I'm not a professional. I actually drive trucks. I'm a truck driver. All right. So kind of take that what it is. I got small positions on this stock, and you have to do what you think is right. All right. Thanks for watching. I'm Dre, and I'm out.